In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage coupons on your Wix site, helping you boost sales and reward your loyal customers. Let's start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to manage your online store. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. From this menu, locate and click on Marketing and SEO. This is your hub for everything related to marketing strategies, including the vital task of creating coupons. Selecting coupons will bring you to a page where you can manage your current promotions or create new ones. If you're looking to add a fresh coupon, look for the plus New Coupon button and give it a click. At this stage, Wix will prompt you to choose what kind of coupon you want to create. Your options will generally include a percentage discount, a price discount, or even free shipping. Think about what would appeal most to your customer base when making this decision. Now, let's move on to setting the nitty-gritty details of your coupon. First off, you'll need to come up with a unique code that customers can use at checkout. Something catchy and easy to remember, like Save 10, perhaps. Alongside this, decide on an internal name for your coupon. This name, which only you will see, should help you identify and track this specific promotion later. Something like Summer Sale might do the trick. Then, consider the discount details. Enter the amount or percentage that will be shaved off the purchase. It's essential to think about whether this discount applies across the board to all your products, only certain items or categories, or if there's a minimum order subtotal required to qualify for the discount. Wix also allows you to decide how the discount is applied, whether across the entire order, just the lowest priced item, or each eligible item in the order. This flexibility helps customize the deal to better meet your customers' needs. Don't forget to set up the coupon's validity and usage limits next. Decide when your promotion will start and when it will end, or opt for no end date if you wish. Also, determine how many times this coupon can be used in total or restrict it to one use per customer to maintain exclusivity. Finally, it's time to wrap things up. Double-check all the details you've entered, and when you're satisfied everything is correct, click Create Coupon to save and activate your new promotional tool. With this setup, you've crafted a well-targeted coupon to drive traffic and encourage sales on your site. And there you have it. Your coupon is ready to enhance your marketing strategies and boost sales on your website. Happy selling!